Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some breezy conditions out there this morning, seeing a wind advisory currently in effect, and see that throughout the remainder of the day today. We should be able to cancel it by later this evening. Otherwise, going to see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions today, a very slight chance of a sprinkle this afternoon, but overall, some pleasant weather across the region, more seasonable temperatures, with temperatures only peaking out today in the lower 50s. Looking at our sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 5,000 feet, winds out of the southwesterly component, the low levels around 21 knots, then seeing winds really increase between 9 and 12,000 feet. This morning seeing some speed shear at that level, increasing from 39 to 91 knots, and out of the south-southwest, and seeing a peak wind this morning with a jet overhead out of the south-southwest at 123 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this large area of low pressure across the northeast states into the Great Lakes that's providing us with tighter pressure gradient across our region. We'll continue to see some periods of mostly cloudy conditions as the cloud cover rolls in over the mountains across the coastal plain today, and that'll be really our weather story for today. A very slight chance of a sprinkle moving through with the base of this upper level trough associated with this area low pressure moving through for the afternoon hours. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have a band of cloud cover around 3,000 to 4,000 feet, and some areas of the central and northern Delmarva seeing some mostly cloudy to overcast skies this morning, but overall across the Wallops region seeing mostly clear conditions this morning, and we'll continue to see that for the late morning hours before we see more cloud cover roll in for the afternoon hours. So looking at our HRR model for today and the derived reflectivity, you can see for the afternoon, this is at 1 o'clock this afternoon, 2 o'clock, and then 3, 4, and into the evening at 5 p.m. or 1700 local. You can see a band of some light sprinkles building off to the north of our area. Could see that move down into the Wallops region, but most likely will not, so only a slight chance of seeing a sprinkle across our region. Here's 8 p.m. this evening or 20 local. So taking a look at the GFS model the next few days and how that's going to play out, this is this afternoon. And see that area low pressure moving off to the northeast, and just that upper level trough moving overhead. That'll allow us to have a chilly night tonight. We'll see those winds continue to stay up though, so shouldn't see temperatures quite bottom out too far. We'll see those temperatures in the mid-30s tonight. Then for tomorrow, we'll see high pressure building in from the west, brief area high pressure. That's going to allow us to see temperatures cooler than normal for this time of year in the upper 40s to mid-40s across the peninsula for daily highs. That's about 10 degrees below normal, and we're going to continue to see chilly conditions for Thursday morning, as it'll be the coldest morning of the next 7 days. Looks near freezing temperatures across the peninsula. And Thursday should see a moderating trend slightly as area high pressure builds off the coast. It should allow us to see more southwesterly flow on Thursday and temperatures in the 50s. And for Friday, really models differing greatly on an upper level system over the southern Mississippi Valley into the southern plains that's going to be moving towards our region, as well as an upper level trough over the northeast states. How quickly this system over the deep south into the southern Mississippi Valley moves towards our region for Friday into Saturday really will give us different weather patterns for each of those days. Right now it looks like Friday should remain dry, only a slight chance of seeing a rain shower, and then Saturday looks like a rainy day across the region as an area low pressure moves into the Ohio Valley with a warm front and frontal boundaries moving through our region for Saturday. But European model shows something completely different right now, so we'll continue to monitor this. Right now it looks like the trend is towards a wetter weekend, and especially for Saturday. And then Sunday we'll see that upper level area of low pressure moving overhead, and that should provide us with mostly cloudy conditions, a slight chance of some rain showers across the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 51 today, a low of 37 tonight. We'll see those winds across the region and continuing to blow out of the west-southwest to westerly component, 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 28 knots today. We'll continue to see that through the evening hours of today as well. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions today. Slight chance we see a rain shower between 1900 local and 2100 local today. Otherwise, we'll see ceilings well above 3,000 feet, around 4,000 to 5,000 feet today. Then by tomorrow morning, just seeing some mostly sunny conditions. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday through Thursday, Wednesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy, chilly and slightly breezy, a high of 48. We'll see those winds possibly gusting up near 25 knots on Wednesday afternoon into the late morning hours as well. Wednesday night, mostly clear and cold, a low of 33, and for Thursday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, and seasonable, a high of 53 degrees. Green chart across the board for Wednesday night and Thursday. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures slightly below normal to near average for the next 3 days, and then seeing temperatures above normal for Friday and Saturday with more southerly flow across the region. Seeing our precipitation chances at 40% on Friday as of right now. Really undecided of which way that upper level system and the timing of that moving through for Friday and Saturday, but looks like Saturday is a better chance of rain right now. High of 59 and then a high of 48 on Sunday with breezy conditions, a slight chance of some rain showers as well. And then Monday looks like we could have another upper level disturbance quickly moving in from the north and from the northwest and providing us with some cooler conditions, highs in the mid 40s, and a possibility of a isolated rain shower or two for Monday afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.